More downtime. Another late delivery. Without accurate information, you're not able to act in time. To maintain efficient production, you need to keep track of the process flow, availability, cycle times, and deliveries. Why has machine number 3 stopped again? Knowledge is key. Gathering this data manually takes time, is costly, and you risk losing valuable insights. In the modern workshop, data is collected from connected machines. Machine utilization, stop reasons, and operator input is collected, stored, and made available to you. A real-time visualization of your machine park performance and efficiency. Now, you can take action, in time, based on facts. When subscribing to CoroPlus MachiningInsights, you get access to your machine data from any device. No hardware installation required. Make use of your data. Increase your productivity today. Explore CoroPlus.Sandvik Coromant.